What's up, guys? I am back with another video, and today I will be unboxing a box that I got from Influencer. Influencer is basically a it's an app where you can get free stuff. Make sure you sign up for Influencer. It does kind of go based off your social medias. Like, say you got 1,000 on Instagram, you got like a lot on Twitter, you got YouTube. Doesn't matter. I don't really think it matters if you have 1,000 on Instagram. I don't think it matters, but make sure you try Influencer out. So this box I got from the mail is a Shea Moisture product, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like. Basically, that's it. Yeah. I think something fell, but get that card that came with it. Yeah. So basically, this is like a Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. Okay. Our 5-step Make It Last style system is the answer. Our Wash and Go Primer detangles, defines, and prep curls for longer lasting styles. Coconut oil and kokum butter blend with super conditioning coconut milk and plant peptides. I think that's what it's called. In a moisture-rich formula that aligns strands for easy styling and designed to take your curl definition to the next level when paired with our Wash and Go defining gel oil. Tip: can be used as a pre-poo for super easy detangling. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. Super big. Okay, so right here, guys, I'm just basically showing you how Influencer looks and how Influencer works. So right here is just loading the feed on Influencer. People post things, and when you post things and you tag Influencer and you tag, what products you got and stuff, you can be featured on Influencer. So a lot of people do that, and they also write reviews of the products that they got. You can subscribe to any subject you like. As you can see, I've subscribed to some. I also read them and I look at them and stuff like that. Excuse me if my screen is shaking. I don't know why it's doing that, but okay, so these are like the campaigns that you can do. When you do the campaigns, I believe you get badges for it. I think I haven't done a campaign, but I still got something in the mail. So okay, as you can see, I only got 1 follower, so follow me, okay? Because I need some more followers. And also, if you keep logging into the app, they can tell when you do. And you also can get products by doing that.
Yeah, frequency freaky and we in the bed. Yoga pit Pilates body shawty, yeah.